going to Disneyland today, Tokyo Disneyland. We are only 3 minutes away from seeing Mickey Mouse. Hopefully it's not too packed. The weather is very beautiful. The sun is out. I am a weather forecaster now.
Wow.
I am very sleepy, so I got a little bit of coffee from Family Mart. I'm trying to stay awake. Does my bandana look okay? Really? Are you lying? Okay. I was so happy we took an Uber because I was exhausted. I think this is probably day 3 and we had no sleep, but at least we got the views of the Disney resort and it was absolutely stunning. Hi, arigato. No, people are just there early because they're punctual. Okay guys, we are here in Disneyland. This is crazy. Okay, we're about to be there. We have to cross the street, go over a bridge, make sure we don't die with the bicyclists. I don't want to get smushed by a bus. Let's just go. Go, 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 go. You know, since we have Disney Plus, we can't sue them and they're not liable if we die in one of their parks. You did hear that case? Crazy. Don't sue me though. Don't sue me. All allegations. Yeah. Goodbye, iced coffee. This is so exciting. It wouldn't be Disneyland without the Tokyo vending machines. Hi, look at that! I'm so excited. This is so cool. It is very hot. Oh my god. Oh no, I need to be under the umbrella. I feel dehydrated. That coffee did not do it.
Now I get to put this umbrella into use.
I can't believe we're in Disneyland, Tokyo. What the heck? 2 seconds later, I had to take off the bandana because it is hot. This is insane. Oh, that's a nice breeze. Ride at Disneyland. We're gonna see how this one is. It's the Buzz Lightyear Astro Blast. Okay, so we're on a mission. We're trying to see how many rides we can actually ride at Disneyland. Right now it's 9:01 and we're gonna see how many rides we can actually go on. Wow, the CC is nice. Are you excited? Yes? It's Japanese Buzz Lightyear. That's so funny.
ザームに支配されることになる。信じるべき。
Me, yeah. Okay, next ride, we're gonna go to Monsters Inc. I hope we can get on within a reasonable amount of time. It looks like it's 9:14 and all the rides already have an hour wait. Here it is. Oh no.
65 minutes, please wait.
Okay. Wow, 65. Okay. 65-minute wait. That's crazy.
A few moments later.
My bet is that we're gonna enter the ride at 10:13 p.m. and we're gonna see if I'm accurate or if Brenda is right. And we're gonna enter at 10:18. We'll see. I'm so excited. This looks like a fun ride. Arigato. I'm ready. Whoa. Not him. Not him. Whoa.
かくれんぼはこうやるんだよ。明かりが消えたら始めるよ。
This ride was similar to the first one in Buzz Lightyear, where you kind of have to shoot the target on top of the little helmet. And I thought it was cute. You know, there's not a lot of thrill in terms of like you're moving about so much, but it was a very fun ride nonetheless. That was awesome. We are heading to the third ride, Stitch Encounter.
It's actually Japanese talk show. It's okay for you?
Talk show? Yes.
Yeah. Enjoy.
We're not going to understand anything.
No, but it's gonna be fun.
The nostalgia. It's okay. You know what? We're going to try everything because this is our once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be in Disneyland Tokyo. So why not go and listen to this talk show? But we really had no idea what Stitch was saying, and he was on the screen, and then he asked us a couple questions, kind of like how the sea turtle from Disneyland here in the United States is, where he's asking the audience a couple questions and he goes around the room, and then there's like a little bit animation here and there. So it's cute. It's not really a ride per se, but we're still gonna count it. So this is the famous Baymax ride that I would see on TikTok. The wait time is already like 70 minutes, I think. It's given like the teacup rides. Konnichiwa. Oh, those are cute.
1,900. Oh, okay.
Oh,
I get that for her.
those are so cute. Uh-oh. Okay. A little update. I got my first official Disney ears. We're about to head to the Beauty and the Beast ride. Look at that. Gorgeous. I want to be under that water now. We have priority passes because honestly, I'm sorry, we cannot wait through this nonsense. That's a lot. That's amazing. That's awesome. Okay, so we're just waiting for the doors to open. We are about to be in a giant teacup. This is ride number 4, right?
I think so.
Ride number 4.
Only 2 hours in.
2 hours in. Not bad.
Number 5, please.
Okay. Arigato. What are we about to walk into? I think this is by far my favorite ride at Disneyland Tokyo. It is absolutely, I feel like the video does not do it justice. When you're in this immersive experience, you see the animatronics just dancing on the table and they look so real. You see Bella, they're singing along with you. It's just such a surreal experience and you're just surrounded with so much happening and it's really freaking cool. Get the express pass too. It helps. You are able to skip the line, but if you can't still wait for it, it's a ride that's so worth it. That was amazing, guys. That ride alone was worth the trip to Tokyo. I seen some people with pants, and I can't even imagine doing that. I would definitely recommend getting the priority pass so you can skip the 55 minutes of wait time because the wait time was crazy. Okay, let's see what ride number 5 has in store for us. Wait, is this like an intense ride?
Right there. I'm soaked. So be prepared to be a little uncomfy for some time.
We're already soaked and gross, sweating. Konnichiwa. Arigato. All right, see you guys on the other side. Okay, we are on ride number 6. We just came from Splash Mountain. It was really nice. I was just scared of the anticipation of the drop, so I didn't watch it, and I looked scared, like really scared. But then the guy in front of us had like the peace sign, and he was like all chilling. This is the current line for the Haunted Mansion. I think they're doing a show over there. It's Baymax! So this machine basically went around with its water mist, to keep the people cool and refreshed and that they don't pass out or anything because, like I said, the heat was very extreme. I think it was hitting 95 when we were over there, and there's just hardly any shade when you're at these amusement parks. So this was very helpful. We're in the Haunted Mansion ride. It's dusty. Someone needs a Swiffer.
Give us a hint by ringing the bell.
That's cool. Okay, I think this is ride number 7.
I don't know.
Okay, I think this is either 6 or 7. We just had lunch. It was very delicious. We had steak. And now we're at the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. And it looks like there's also like an indoor restaurant over there. That's insane. That's awesome. The lines here are honestly not that bad. This ride, I think we only waited 3 minutes, if that. And we're already at the front. Insane. There's other rides, of course, like Splash Mountain, where we did have to pay for priority pass because those wait times are like 50 minutes to 60 minutes, 65 minutes. And we prefer just like being quick with that so we can enjoy the most out of the park. What is this ride? Is this like another boat
ride.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, this is ride 7 or 8. It's called the Jungle what?
Jungle Cruise.
It's the Jungle Cruise, and it looks very, very pretty. Look at this cute little cruise. This looks pretty. Oh, no wonder it's so quick. It's because they fit a lot of people in one boat. Yeah. And we're gonna be outside, so it's not gonna feel like we're in the cave like the last one, the Pirate of Caribbeans. Is it Caribbeans or Caribbean? Well, you can say it either way. Oh, okay. Okay, this is ride 8. I think it's 8. Okay, we are ride 9 or 10 at this point. I can't really tell. The sun is sunning, it's beaming. It's 4 o'clock and this sun is brutal. We're riding the Western Railroad train, something like that.
Welcome aboard the Western River Railroad.
That.
For a safe journey.
ください。煙を吐くのは機関車の役目です。
Okay, so what we're in right now, we're in the elevator of the Tokyo Disney Castle. So we are able to go inside of Cinderella's castle. I think this is the only Disneyland park that lets us do this. I haven't seen it in other Disney parks, but you're allowed to go upstairs and then you can see all the glass slipper and you're able to see some things from the movies and stuff and little scenes. So that's what we're looking at right now. So it's not a ride. I'm not going to count it as a ride, but I think it's a very cool experience that we got, to see. The world is our oyster.
A little bit of wind. Great.
We are on ride number 10, I think, of the day. We are heading towards Big Thunder Mountain. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so now this is the 12th ride, I think. We're doing It's a Small World. We're about to get on this boat. And that concludes the end of this video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching it. I know this is one of my longer videos, but it was so nostalgic to look back at this footage and be like, oh my god, yeah, we did ride that, or yeah, we did do that. It was probably one of the best experiences that I had in Japan, and ending it with this beautiful castle as the view. Oh, love it. I love it. It was the perfect day, honestly. I just want to say I'm super grateful for this experience and just having to live through this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a like. Please subscribe. Share with your friends. Help me and the algorithm out. And cue the out card.